At the Shoe Hospital, we factory refinish tens of thousands of pairs of shoes and boots and handbags a year. Our owners have spent countless hours directly in the shoe manufacturing factories, learning the exact process that they use to add the conditioners and the antiquing, whether it's a burgundy shoe or a mahogany shoe, but you get that antique finish back. And when we give you your product back, you have that perfect shine and perfect finish to your shoe that is the same finish you got when you received your shoe when you purchased it new. Our goal at the Shoe Hospital is that we put our expertise into the upper of your shoe so that when you receive it back, it looks as close to new as it was when you purchased it.